Hare Krishna friends, Palash this side. So in this video what I am going to talk is problems which I observe in your screenshots, which most of the students send me screenshots of the trend lines and other stuff. So in this video I am going to clear that all, and before that I am assuming, before starting the video I am assuming that you all know how to draw trend lines and other stuff, है ना? And if you all don't know, so you have to check my playlist. If you don't know about the basics of price sections, just go to my channel and you can visit the playlist section. And in the playlist section, you can watch all these playlists, and I have created them all, and you can watch them separately as well, right? So without wasting any time, let's jump to the video. So you see, I'm having most of the screenshots which you all have sent me, है ना? And in these screenshots, you have most of the students have shown me the trend lines. This screenshot was by Nina, I guess. Yeah. So let me show you. Yeah. See, these are the trend lines. You can draw more of the trend lines in it, like this. But the problem with this is that it is not clearly visible, right? So you all should use multiple time frames for it, right? So multiple time frames are some of the concept which you all are missing behind. Like, see, at this place, we will check this out, right? Adani Port at 18th of November 21:12 and 5 minutes chart. Okay, so we are at Adani Port, है ना? And you can see the date. It's 18th of November 12 p.m, right? So this was the point where she have drawn trend line, right? So the trend line was like this, right? So what I am saying that is, if these points are not clearly visible, you can just drop the time frame. You can just drop the time frame, right? So I am converting it to 1 minute chart, you know. So while converting it to 1 minute chart, I guess the time, it's 10th of December now. Okay, so go to 18th of December. Yeah, 18th of November, right? 12 p.m. Yeah. So see, all these points are now clearly visible. You can see lower low and higher high, right? See, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, right? Now while drawing the trend line, just take the trend line tool and draw it down. Yeah, it's that easy. It's that easy, है ना? You just have to drop the time frame, right? So you can see the difference between both of them. See, 18th of November 12 p.m, the trend is not clearly visible here, right? And at the same time, see, lower lows are clearly visible, and when these lower lows are clearly visible, it will clearly help you in making the better trade at the moment, right? So you can also make a trend line over here and other places as well. Another one, this will be a support area. Another trend line will be here. Here the uptrend has started. So just make it like this. The blue line is actually 50 moving average. This blue line which you all are observing now, it is 50 moving average. So it is actually respecting 50 moving average, you can say, right? So we can take another example as well, right? So things will be more clear to you all. It is Bajaj Auto. The thing is not, time is not clearly visible. The same problem is with this chart also. You have drawn this trend line and this is support area. So the same problem actually is with this also. See, see, see. And here we can take it, right? So 18th of November 21, 14, you're right, it's 2 p.m. 2:40 p.m. So SBIN. Okay, let's take this example. So here we are going to take the same example of SBIN, changing the time frame to 5 minutes chart, so that we can clearly see, right? So date was 18th of November. So I'll just jump to go to date, November 18th. Yeah, the time is just started. It was 2:40. Mm-mm. 18th of November 2:40. Okay, so it must be here. So 12:40. It is this point, right? So let me show you clearly. So the how she had drawn is, so okay, and another trend line is visible at this moment. See, here it is actually not wrong, but you can draw it better, right? So what I am saying, that just lower the time frame, from 5 minute to 1 minute. Okay, so okay, it's actually gone again. 10th of December is here. Just go to date and 18th. Okay, so the you go 12:40. There you go. Now see, when I have lowered the time frame, these higher high lower lows are clearly visible. See, actually it is pattern called wedge pattern, and we'll talk it in the later videos. And see, now just I am saying that while I have lowered the time frame, now the trend is clearly visible. So this will help you making a better trade, right? See the breakout, and you can trade it over here, right? Just put your stop loss, entry, and exit. See, see. So these are the things which you should trade, है ना? And lowering the time frame will make help you making a better trade. So this was my actually the point. See, this is 1 minute chart and I'll help you make it a side by side comparison. See, this was the screenshot, original one, है ना? Yeah, and these are the chart in 1 minute. It is the same chart, but it will help you make the better trade in the better time frame, है ना? So, what homework which I am going to give you is just practice this concept as much as possible, right? So, I'll show you making more trend lines on the same chart. See, at this moment, this is the support, horizontal support, and this is the support level, है ना? So these are actually some advanced concept which I am giving you at the moment, which you all should never forget, right? We'll discuss this thing in the later video as well, and it will help you making a better opportunities, right? So I'm going to give you another entry for the same chart, right? Like this was the wedge pattern, right? So as I have given you this support area, है ना? And the principle of polarization, if you all remember, I have given you when a resistance at this place, this level was resistance, this is resistance. So in the principle of polarization, we have discussed that when the resistance is broken down, it becomes support, है ना? So when stock tried at this place, it failed and it broke it, है ना? Now this resistance is no more a resistance, it will act as support for the same stock, है ना? So when the stock was forming the wedge pattern, when it will get to the same area, you can make the entry. How? Just enter at this place, put this stop loss below it, and take the target. See, this is risk and this is reward. So it is actually the advanced topic which we will be discussing in the later videos. So what you all should do, if you are in the new to the channel, you should subscribe it as well, है ना? Else you will lost. In the later videos we will discuss the other things as well, like you can take the same entry in the later part as well, right? See, when the stock got to the fall down and it was forming this pattern, you can take the entry at the same place, and you can just short it down, enter it over here, take it as a stop loss, and just trail it, or light entry, stop loss, and just trail your stop loss to this place, right? And you can exit it someplace here, है ना? Else you have the other option. What is the option? I've shown you 50 moving average. This stock is also respecting the 50 moving average. See, 50 moving average, and when it fall below it, you can just enter, enter, stop loss, 50 moving average. When it crossed 50 moving average from below to upside, you can just exit. See, profit. This is profit and this is risk, right? So we can compare it as well. Where is the instrument? Short position. Here we are going to short, taking the profit at this place, and this is the stop loss. See, risk to reward ratio is 5.29. Risk to reward ratio is 5.29. Just can you imagine? So these are the concepts which will help you making huge amount of wealth in the longer run, है ना? And these are the places which you should trade, right? So we will, right? So I guess that's all for the video. We can close the video at the moment, and we will discuss it in the future videos. And I guess, yeah, take care. Bye bye. So also, if the video was helpful to you, do subscribe the channel, share the video. Like sharing the video is most important for us. And like, if we are giving you some valuable things which will help you for make the future, you should help us as well. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for the video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.